Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is a bit different because I've decided to record the process of turning this room in our house, which has been for a while now, for a few months now, our guest bedroom. We've had a bed here that I moved yesterday, but basically it's been a guest room and I want to turn it into an office. This has always been the idea. I've always wanted to have my own office, and just haven't had the time to do it. Also, we've had a bunch of people coming over and staying over and all that stuff. So it's been practical for that. It's time for me to have my office set up.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. It's 8:30 a.m. in the morning. I'm gonna paint the room today. I've decided on a color and I'm excited to see how it turns out. But before I go buy the paint, I have to cover up some holes. So I gotta go get that done. And then while that's drying, get the paint, prepare set up, and hopefully by the time I'm ready, it's all dry. But before any of that, I need to make myself a coffee because I can't start my day without a coffee, man. So yeah, let's get going. Do you pour the milk and then the coffee, or you pour the coffee and then the milk? I pour the milk and then pour the coffee so that I don't have to use a spoon to mix it, because then that's an extra dish to wash. Lazy, clever, whatever you want to call it. But let me know how you prepare your coffee. Also, I put literally like a splash of milk, like that's it. I don't go half milk, half coffee, or like I don't put coffee in my milk sort of thing. No, you just put a little bit of milk in it, you know? Don't ruin the coffee. Don't ruin the coffee. Guys, we also have a visitor here. Hi, Mooney. Good morning. What's up? Yes, good girl, Mooney. Okay, we got our almond milk. We got our cup. I'm gonna show you how to make the right coffee. Okay, you mix it. We're running out. Okay, literally, that's it. That's it. Just a little bit of milk. Don't ruin the coffee. Cheers. I love coffee. What do you want? This girl does it every morning. She needs to come on my lap. Mooney, what's happening? Guys, this is the situation we've got here. Hi, Mooney. You want to have coffee with me? You missed me too much. She missed me too much. So, this is the first step. Gotta remove these. There's a couple here as well. And I need to cover these holes. And then I gotta let it dry. And then I need to sand it so it's smooth. And then I can start my paint. And while that's drying, I'm gonna go buy the paint. So these were the options for the color of the wall. I was either gonna go basically black or do something unique and crazy a bit and go with orange. But I've decided the vibe I want to create in the room is this sort of vibe. This is a bit too bubbly for me, even though I like it. I don't like it for my office. We're gonna go this shade, and this is our winner here. We've decided on carbon copy. That's our winner. Let's go.
2 hours later.
Just bought the paint. Where's the paint? Here's the paint. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to wait another two and a half hours for these to dry out so I can sand it. And if it looks fine and smooth, I can start my painting. If it doesn't, I'm gonna probably have to do it again, which is a bit annoying because it's just like 3, 4, 5 little holes and it's making me wait. However, there's a couple of updates. So I went to Home Depot to buy the paint, and I saw a few plants that I liked with a nice pot. So we got that one. I already had that one. That one's been there, it's nice. And I also got this one for the desk. All right, so that's what we've got. Fun fact, I bought this sweater when I was either in grade 9 or grade 10. So that would be 2008 or even 7. And right now it's 2023. I got it from Stitches, and it's been there with me through thick and thin. Like, I love it. It's so soft. It's not been damaged at all. And yeah, so for those of you that know me from back then, you might have seen me wear this back in high school. It was one of my favorite sweaters, and it's lasting me this long. Everybody has that one t-shirt, one sweater, one something that they've had it for a long time, and it just, nothing beats it. And it's their favorite piece of clothing, whether it's a shirt or a sweater. While I'm waiting for those to dry, come on. I feel like I should make use of this time and get more stuff done. There's one major thing that needs to get done, and it's really getting on my nerves. So the desk is ready, the chair is ready. I kind of have a desk, something going on here. I got a couple plans, it's coming together, but we have a little situation here. So that's the charger for my laptop, and then that cable situation with all those plugs and all that. I ordered this bad boy. So what this is an extension cord. See, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 12 of these, 3 USB, 1 USB-C. Alright guys, this is the best we've got in terms of cables. So there's only one plug there, that's it, and that's the extension cord. The tapes are done. Now I can start the painting process. Let's go. The paint is done, I think. I did 2 coats. I had to do a lot of waiting in between for it to dry. But obviously, as I was waiting, I was trying to get stuff done. So I'm gonna have to wait until it dries tomorrow and see how it turned out. Alright guys, so the painting of the wall is finally over. It was a interesting process because I think at one point I realized the paint was maybe too thick, and I had to add water to the paint to make it a little bit less thick. So I had to repaint once again to be satisfied with the job. As you can tell, this is how it turned out. I'm finally happy, and let's get going. Alright guys, that's it. I will probably make a part 2 of this office update where I'll add a couple other items to it to make it a bit more cozy, homey. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to give it a like, and I'll see you next time. Take care.